Daming pine trees. Ang daming pine trees, di ba? Ang daming pine trees as in promise. Ayun, may mga ano doon, no? Ayun, ang ganda-ganda as in. Sa Pilipinas, may pine trees ba? Wala, di ba? Dito, madami dito. Dito, meron. Ano, from the top. From the bottom and the top. Di ba? Kaya ganda-ganda, no? Tika lang. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven kasi dyan. Ayan, 7-Eleven. Di ba? Ikot-ikot na ako. Hello guys, this is Rachel TV channel. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down there below, okay? Ayun yung pine trees, ang ganda. Ganda, diba? Wala naman akong video, bala sila dyan, titingin sila sa akin, yung video lang po dito. Ito na naman, lalang bawal dito video. Ito nga. Yung pine trees, ang ganda, diba? Yun, no? Hello guys, this is Rachel TV channel. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down there below, okay? You see that? Ang ganda, di ba? Ito yung pine tree. I'm here now in Taiwan. Well, di ba ito? I get a 2 minutes. I want 5 minutes, okay? Very nice. It's a very nice. This one is a fine tree. Please like and subscribe. Ayun, namalis na. Ayun dun. Ito nga. Ganda-ganda. Sis. Ayun nga, oh, tingnan nyo. Andito kasi ako sa gilid ng 7-Eleven. I want 5 minutes. Okay, this is a 7-Eleven. I'm here now in Taiwan. This is Rachel TV channel. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down there below, okay? And please watch all my harang. Tingnan nyo nga, ang ganda, oh. Pine trees. It's a pine trees. Sa Pilipinas, mayroon bang ganito? Wala, diba? Dito ako sa 7-Eleven. Hello guys, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down there below. And please watch all my harang. And I'm gonna off this one because I'm going inside. I want to buy something. I want 5 minutes. You see that? It's very nice, right? This is a fine tree. This is a fine tree. Too many, lots of trees here. Okay guys, bye bye. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down there. Bye bye, bye bye. I want to go inside.